Hey, what's up guys? My name is Victor Suarez. I'm the owner of Electrical Assistance. Today I want to give you some pro tips on how to reset your GFI if you don't know how to do so. And that way maybe saving you some bucks and avoiding a service call, for something so simple. According to the National Electrical Code, you gotta have GFIs wherever you have proximity with water. Examples of it would be near your kitchen sink. It has to protect all your counter plugs. In your bathroom, it has to be at least one GFI and then another one protected by that GFI. In your laundry, and so forth, exterior of your house. So all those areas, they have to be GFI protected to avoid any electrocution because of the contact that you might have with water. So over here, for instance, we're going to be analyzing this GFI. Most of the calls I get, people are like, Victor, my GFI is not working. What do? I have plugs in the kitchen that do not work. In most cases, when I get there, it's just a simple resetting thing. So if your GFI trips, some of them have lights, just like that one that was green a little bit ago and then just turned black. Now it's off. So your GFI is now not working anymore. And that could happen because maybe a splash of water got in there, or your toaster has a short, or your coffee maker. So what do we do in order to reactivate the GFI? First of all, you're going to unplug that faulty equipment, okay? And then one of the things you got to do is just press this button over here that says reset. And this could vary in color. There's some old styles that have like the reset button is going to be red, the bottom one, the test button, is going to be black. So all you really do is just press and put a little bit of pressure in here on the reset button, and you're going to hear a click, and then the light's going to come back on. Now, one of the things that you should do at least once a month, as the GFI even says over here, to test it monthly, is to press the test button. Then what's going to happen is the GFI is going to turn off, and then you press the reset. Once you do that, you're ensuring that your GFI is working properly and you have no problems. Now, if we go back to the case where something tripped the GFI and you unplugged it, and once you press the reset button, nothing happened, then we might have some other problems, which one of them might be, the short was so big that actually tripped not only the GFI, but also the breaker in the panel, which is going to be the other subject of our next video. In that case, watch the next one to see what we got to do. And even if you try that and it doesn't work, then the problem might be in your GFI. Now, I don't know how comfortable you are with trying to check that. I would highly advise for you to contact a licensed electrician, licensed professional to come and change that out for you.